Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting session where we delve deep into the world of gaming peripherals. Today, it's all about the Asus ROG Spatha X wireless gaming mouse. I can't wait to share my experience with this incredible device. The Asus ROG Spatha X is brimming with features designed to elevate your gaming experience. This gaming mouse comes with a magnetic charging stand, 12 programmable buttons, an impressive 19,000 DPI, push-fit hot swap switch sockets, ROG micro switches, paracord, and the eye-catching Aura RGB lighting, all wrapped up in a sleek black finish. In terms of design, Asus has hit the nail on the head with an ergonomic shape that feels custom-made for my hand. The build quality is excellent, and the minute attention to detail is clear. The magnetic charging stand is functional and stylish, adding a dash of elegance to your gaming setup. Performance-wise, the 19,000 DPI sensor brings the precision that hardcore gamers desire. The 12 programmable buttons revolutionize the gaming experience, offering extensive customization options for different gaming genres. The push-fit hot swap switch sockets are an ingenious feature, allowing you to adjust the click feel to your liking. The Spatha X's wireless functionality is a dream. It offers seamless wireless connectivity, making sure not a single moment of your gaming action is missed. The paracord is a tiny detail that contributes significantly to the mouse's drag-free movement. When it comes to aesthetics, the Aura RGB lighting is a treat for the eyes. It's not just about looks, though. You can customize it to your liking and sync it with other Asus Aura-compatible devices. It's a brilliant way to personalize your gaming rig. The inclusion of the magnetic charging stand is a masterstroke. It keeps your gaming space neat and ensures your mouse is always battle-ready. The hot swappable switches simplify maintenance, providing you with the flexibility to tweak the mouse's feel over time. To sum it up, the Asus ROG Spatha X is a true gem in the gaming mouse market. From its design to its performance, it checks all the boxes for me. If you're a serious gamer who values precision and customization, this mouse should be on your radar. That brings us to the end of today's review. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Asus ROG Spatha X. Drop a comment below. If you found this video informative, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content on gaming tech. Until our next session, game on!